Let's solve this question together. It says h raised to the power 3x plus 3 is equal to 1536. So we're required to solve for the value of x in this question. Okay? Now, the first thing we do here is that we can outline the multiples of 1536. So 1536 can be said to be equal to 8 times 8 times 8 times 3. Okay, this is 1536. Now we can replace these for 1536 in this equation so that we have 8 raised to the power 3x plus 3 to be equal to, this is 8 times 8 times 8, which is 8 raised to the power 3. And then this is times 3. Okay? Now when you have multiplication of numbers in the same base, you add the powers. So what we're going to do is to split this up. So we have 8 raised to the power 3x. Then instead of plus, we'll have times 8 raised to the power 3 to be equal to 8 raised to the power 3 times 3. Now you can see that we have 8 raised to the power 3 common on both sides. So you can strike that 8 raised to the power 3 on both sides. So we have that 8 raised to the power 3x is equal to 3. Okay? Now, looking closely here, we can reduce this. We can also change this 8. Okay? So we can say that 8 is 2 cubed. So we have that 2 cubed raised to the power of 3x is equal to 3. Okay? Now, when you have this a number raised to power a number raised to power another number, you can multiply the powers. So we have 3 times 3 to give us 9. So we have 2 raised to power 9x, okay, to be equal to 3. Alright? Now moving on from here, we can say, let us take the logarithm of both sides. So then we have the logarithm of 2 raised to power 9x is equal to logarithm of 3. Okay? Now this logarithm we're going to take it in the same base. So the number carrying x is 2. We're going to take the logarithm in base 2 of both sides. So that we have that, we can now multiply the power and the log. So we have 9x multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 2 to be equal to logarithm of 3 to base 2. Okay? Now we have logarithm of a number to its own base to be equal to 1. So we have 1 times 9x to be 9x. And this is equal to logarithm of 3 to base 2. Okay, so this is log. Dividing both sides by now, we have that our x is equal to 1 over 9 multiplied by logarithm of 3 to base 2. And this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.